So today I'm here to share the new surprise kit with you for July. Woohoo! I have a link to this kit down below. Okay, before I move on, I'm a little bit under the weather. So if I don't sound excited, it's because I'm not feeling well. But I really wanted to make this video and get it up and share this with you. So this is a personalized planner sticker kit. You have seen me use this one before, and I have to tell you the July one is really, it is a treat. I'm so happy I got this. So there's a link down below to the sticker kit. It's an affiliate link, so I will get a small commission if you make a purchase through that link. You will not pay anything extra. I also have a discount code for you, Kyra20, to get 20% off your first month. It is a monthly subscription for your personalized sticker kit, and you can personalize the girl in this kit to yourself. So this is my girl, your girl will look different. So I will go through this month's kit with you, and it is a treat. I'm so happy with this. I love this kit. I'm seriously in love. So we have some super cute sticker flakes. I will show you these first. We have some super cute sticker flakes. Look at this cat. I'm definitely gonna use this cat. And they're vellum stickers, I believe. So they're super cute with some foiling on there. Then it is always wrapped in this beautiful tissue paper. Then we got 3 cards this month to put in your planner. Then look at these stickers and look at the beautiful blue gold foiling. Hello, Link. I love this, and I love the theme of this month. I love these stickers. They are amazing. So pretty. As always, one of my favorite, the emoji girls. Remember, this is me. You can make your own girl. And if you don't want to get the sticker kit, that's okay. But just check out the options for the girls. It's really fun to do. Then these heart stickers with my husband, his name on there. Really cool. These beautiful stickers. Then this strip that you can put something in, whatever you like. And for this month she did a name strip that you can color in, which I really like. So I will definitely have fun coloring this one in. Maybe I will put this on my personal writing journal. I think that she did a mix up with my kit, because I'm not this hair color, but I still love the stickers, so I'm going to use them. Then we have some wonderful moon sticky notes, which I really like. A clear pocket with this beautiful foiling. Love it. Then some beautiful heart stickers. Then we have this clear sheet of stickers, which I also really adore. I love the diamond checklist. So I really like this, and the icons. Then you always get some half boxes with your kit. And then this is the header and washi sheet, and you can use this in your planner. So I will stop talking because I don't feel that great, but I do really want to plan out my week. It's already Tuesday, so I'm late, but that's because I'm not feeling that great. But I still want to share this with you. So I hope you enjoy this process. I will plan in my happy planner, and I hope to see you all next time. Bye!